The Art of Applying Underglaze, a Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ceramics with a special focus on the technique of applying underglaze. Whether you're an aspiring potter or just curious about how beautiful ceramic pieces are created, you're in the right place. Let's explore the colorful world of underglazes together and understand why this technique is a cornerstone in ceramic decoration. Underglaze is a method of decorating ceramics that involves applying colored pigments to the surface of a piece before it is glazed. Unlike glazes, which can be glossy and transparent, underglazes are often matte and opaque, allowing artists to create detailed designs and illustrations. The key feature of underglaze is that it does not run or blur during the firing process, making it perfect for intricate artwork on ceramics. Applying underglaze is an art form that requires both creativity and technique. Here's how it's typically done. 1. Preparation. The ceramic piece should be clean and bisque fired. This provides a stable surface for the underglaze to adhere to. 2. Design. Artists may sketch their designs directly on the piece or use stencils and stamps for more complex patterns. 3. Application. Using brushes, sponges, or even fingers, the underglaze is applied to the surface. It's important to consider the thickness of the application, as this can affect the intensity of the color after firing. 4. Layering. For more depth and dimension, artists can layer different colors of underglaze, allowing each layer to dry before applying the next. 5. Firing. Once the design is complete and dry, the piece is ready to be glazed and fired. The underglaze becomes permanently fused to the ceramic surface during the firing process, revealing the vibrant and detailed decoration. To achieve the best results with underglaze, consider these tips. Test colors. Underglaze colors can change after firing, so it's wise to test them on a similar clay body first. Work in stages. Allow each layer of underglaze to dry thoroughly before adding another to prevent smudging. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different application tools and techniques to discover unique textures and effects. Applying underglaze is a rewarding technique that allows artists to bring their ceramic pieces to life with color and detail. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, we hope this video has inspired you to explore the endless possibilities of ceramic decoration. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!